Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning some Christmas carols. I'm going to be dividing it into three. We're going to be learning this song, "Oh Holy Night." Oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining. Then I'll teach you I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And the last one is going to be Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. So I'm going to be using key F as my reference point. Alright, so before I start, I would like to thank those of you who have subscribed newly to the channel. Keep on watching the videos. For beginners, I have a beginner tutorial of about 36 videos in a playlist. I'm going to be putting it up there. You can click on it and then start learning. So if you're not familiar with the key of F, you can go and learn. There are 3 videos on key of F. You could learn it. Secondly, I want to talk to you about my website, Love World Music Tutorial Center, Music Center. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. You can go there. The songs are arranged, and be a part of the website. Register. It's for free. You're not going to be paying anything for any video. And I would also reiterate that all my videos are for free. There's no exclusive video anywhere. And that being said, let's jump into Christmas mode. Alright, so I'm going to do the silent, no, "Oh Holy Night" first. Alright, so okay, so I'm going to be playing it as if you're a beginner. You know, chord 1, chord 2. So chord 1 for you, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Alright, so we're going to be starting on a 6, 7, 1. So we're starting on a 1 bar. We're using the 6, 7 as a passing chord to the chord 1. So it's like holy night. Alright, so this is how I play the 6. Oh holy night, the stars. Sorry. So, alright. So, oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night. Da 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 da. Alright. So from 6, 7, 1, then you do F4, da 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 da, chord 2, then you come back to 5, da 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 da. Okay, so what I just did, I'm playing one, but I just added that note. Right, so I kind of suspended it. Okay, so let me play it again. So 1, so this is the 6th chord, this is the 7th chord, and then your 1, this is your chord 4, 1, then 5, back to 1. So oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is a night. Da 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 da. So you can do da instead of the that's when you're starting, but the second one you go straight to the one. So let me start and then go to the second one. Then okay, so this time around I'm doing 1 over the 3. Go alright, so 6, 7, 1, 4, 1, 3. Then you can do a 3 over the 5 before the 5, then 1. Okay, then you do that's the second part. You play a 3, then you can just play this passing. It's a flat 6 or a sharp 5. You do it and then you land on the 6. Then you do so it's a 6, 2, 5. So it's like this. So it's 6, 2, 5. So I'm playing it like this. Then you do a 6, 7, 1. So you can do 6, 7, 1. Okay, so let me do everything that I've done and then we'll continue with it. So let's continue with the fall on your knees. Fall on your knees. So it says 6, 5. Then you do a 2. Oh, hear the angels' voice. Back to your 6. Then you do the 7 as a passing before the 1. Oh, 9, 1, 5, 6, 4. So, oh, 9, divine. So when you play 1, you play 7 over the 5, and then 6, 2, 5. Now we're going to be the target note is 5, so we just played as a person. So from the 6 we move to the 3 before, sorry, the 2 before, right? So it's like this. Let's do it in a slow way. So when Christ was born. Okay, you can forget this. So okay, this 5. Then you do a 4, 3, 4. Then you play this chord. A 3, sorry, a 2 over this one is a 2. You just flatten this one. Okay, so it's a flat 5. Okay, right? Yeah. So you play this chord, then you come back and play your 5 over the 1. See. So basically that's the whole song. Yeah, so if you follow through, you know the progression. Let me try and play everything. Okay, so so how did I end? On a sharp 5, a flat 7 chord, and then on a 1. Alright, thank you for being a part of this tutorial. God bless you, and see you in the next tutorial.